EndeavourOS Gemini 2404. This is both tests for the base OS, so if you were to use it as like a server or with no desktop environment, and then also tested with Plasma. So let's see where we are ranked here. And EndeavourOS Gemini, boom. It is the worst performing of the 3 base operating systems tested so far. Alpine is still great, 85 megs of RAM usage, 8-second boot time. Here, 6-second boot time, that's good, but 355 megs. So I always assumed Arch would be faster, but for whatever reason, what Endeavour is bundling is making it use more memory and a lot of disk space. At 5 gigs, Debian's only at 1.6 gigs, and Alpine is 347 megs. So I don't know what Endeavour is doing with Arch to make it so much more bloated. And then for the desktop environment, where are we? So it is the new worst performing Linux distro or operating system that we tested so far. It is a rolling release on Arch, just like Manjaro. And the software all seems to be reasonably new. But somehow they've added more memory usage. The CPU load compared to Manjaro is not as high, but it's still high. I don't know if that's just KDE or what. And then slightly less disk usage than Manjaro, and slightly better boot time. Yeah, so if someone says Arch is a better option for resource usage, I don't think that's quite accurate. And then someone commented either after Manjaro was tested with Plasma or EndeavourOS was tested with Plasma, and their comment was something along the lines of it's not fair to benchmark Plasma because it caches buttons to make it faster. That's the Plasma's design decision. I don't think that discounts benchmarking it. These are all relative of each other. So, and the other thing is, like, you can run Plasma in 578 megs on Alpine. So the reason that it's performing the way it is some decision with Arch or with Manjaro or Endeavour that makes it balloon up this high. Now what we can do is take a look at our system rebooting. And there we go. I don't know why, but it seems like Plasma will get that prompt more often than other desktop environments. I don't know why it is. It was brief this time though, which is fortunate. And we have a blank screen. And of course, anytime it's going to boot slowly, they got to put their logo there to let you know that, I don't know. And there's our reboot.